if you're looking for extra living space on your Camplet Passion, you have the option to purchase one of our front Sun Canopies. The front Sun Canopy itself comes as you see it, with the roof and the 2 zip sides, but you can also add an optional extra front panel to make a full enclosure, and that can just zip in. The Sun Canopy itself measures 4 meters wide by 2 meters in depth, which gives you an extra 8 square meters of living space. The front panel, if you do add that onto it as well, has got mosquito net at these points here, so you can open it up from inside to get the air in. The side panels as well, they unzip, and you can roll those back and seal them back here with the ties. So if you wanted and you didn't have the front panel in, you can have it as a full Sun Canopy. Really nice and simple to attach, just zips on to the Passion at the front here. And it comes combined with carbon fibre frame, a lightweight carbon fibre frame, and it simply attaches on to the actual canopy of your main Camplet. As I've just done there, if you do open up and take out the front panel of your Camplet Passion, it gives you a great big living area, doubling the space of the actual unit itself, offering many different possibilities on the campsite.